Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to trade crypto on Kraken. Trading cryptocurrency means buying and selling digital assets to make a profit or manage your portfolio. Unlike simply using the buy crypto option, trading on Kraken gives you more control over price, timing, and fee, and Kraken's trading interface may look complex at first, but it follows a simple idea. You choose a trading pair like BTC USD to decide whether to buy or sell and select how you want to order. First, open to your Kraken app and open to your Face ID or your password as well, and on the bottom over here you can go to this portfolio. You can check your portfolio as well, look at the charts, and look over here you can also select your USD as well. And over here under this home you can also find your Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB change, and you can find their chart as well beside it. And simply go under this portfolio on the bottom and select a buy or sell. Tap on the buy crypto here, and over here in order to do that you need to verify your KYC as well. You need to enter amount of crypto or the amount you want to spend, and if market order completes instantly you can check your portfolio over here as well and confirm your order. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you.